Begin by lying down on your back. Come up onto your elbows with your forearms flat on the mat and your upper arms perpendicular to the floor. Keep your forearms in place and puff up your chest by rolling your shoulders back and tucking your shoulder blades firmly into your back. You should feel your upper body creating a back bend. Press your palms into the mat. You can tuck your hands under your bottom if that feels more like a stable position for them. Lower the crown, the very top of your head, back until it comes to the floor, opening the throat. Keep your legs engaged and your toes active throughout. As you breathe, remind yourself of the motivational words. To come out of the pose, press strongly into your forearms and raise your head off the floor. Then release your upper body down to the mat. And release.